Perhaps Google should change its famous corporate motto to "Do be evil"? No, I'm not talking about anything that the company has done in terms of privacy or big acquisitions that may raise antitrust concerns. I'm looking at its stock price. Google closed on Tuesday at $665.41, 59 cents below that famous number that any fan of Iron Maiden would know and love so much. However, Google, all kidding aside, this is a milestone in some respects because this is a 4-year high for the stock. First time Google's been above 650 since January 2008. And I think it is not something out of the realm of possibility that Google could hit another all-time high, perhaps in 2012. Its all-time high, the Boeing-esque price of about $747 from 2007, before the Great Recession began. It's been a long climb back. Google has still remained a fantastic company even during the downturn. You had the change in leadership with Eric Schmidt stepping aside as CEO. He's still chairman, of course. Larry Page, the new CEO. There was some skepticism about him at first, concerns whether or not things like Google Plus would work, and it looks like, for the time being, Google Plus, while not a Facebook killer, is definitely emerged as a strong alternative, another healthy social network that's growing pretty rapidly. But Google's bread and butter is still search. There's nothing wrong with that. That business is increasing pretty dramatically even as that business matures. Google has found another huge cash cow with its Android operating system that companies like Samsung and HTC have latched onto. And then YouTube. Digital video ads are a growing business as well for Google. Google is a company that I can't stress enough how impressed I am by the fact that it does not play the Wall Street game of trying to meet earnings expectations for a quarter. This management team leads for the future. They invest in the future. They occasionally get criticized by analysts that are myopically focusing on profits in the short term for taking, big expense hits in a quarter because they're hiring more people or they're investing in R&D. This is a company that's focusing on growth and should be applauded for that. So while many people may focus on Yahoo, the turnaround story that continues now that Carol Bartz has been fired and new leadership is coming in, people will focus on Facebook because they're the it company in tech and they're likely to file for an IPO in 2012. Don't forget Google. It would not shock me at all if we're seeing Google at $750, let alone $650, sometime later this year.